When and where in English can be questions, as in, when did they leave? Where did they go? Or explanations. I got those when I went on holiday, or the place where we used to go. In Gaelic, the questions and the explanations use totally separate phrases. The questions are cunne and caite. And remember that caite takes the dependent form of the verb. Cunne chaishiv gan Spain, but caite deachshiv sur lion. But the explanatory when and where are nuaire and faran. Far, like the question caite, takes the dependent verb. Nuaire chunnig me and carúr. But an garage for an fachge me and carúr. Also watch out for before as a preposition or as a conjunction used with a verb. With a noun, before is ro vianaiche, before midnight. But the conjunction before is mus and takes a dependent verb. Mus deachshin gan taiví, before we went to the restaurant.